Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì wa ẹ̀yin lólùfẹ́ wa. Ṣé dáadáa la bá yín? Gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ti mọ̀ pé tá ò bá ti rí àwa kì í sọ ìkírun tá a bá dẹ̀ máa sọ lé lórí náà. Àwa ti ṣèwádìí lóní kúlẹ̀kúlẹ̀ kó tó nípa mọ́ sórí ìkànnì yìí fún yín láti gbọ́ àti láti wò ó. Ìmọ̀ rẹ o. Báwo ni ká ti gbọ́ pé ọmọ kékeré ó dẹ̀ ṣekú pa àgbàlagbà? Bọ́ọ̀ náà ṣe lọ rèé. Ìjà kan ṣẹlẹ̀ ní àdúgbò, àwọn ará àdúgbò wọ́n wá sọ pé ẹni tó ṣe olóògbé yẹn kọ́ ló bí ọmọ tó wà lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀. Nígbà tó wá délé ọmọ yẹn ṣàbèrè, ìyá yẹn wá sọ fún un. Ọmọ yìí ó dẹ̀ tí ìyá yẹn jábọ́ látòrí step, ó dẹ̀ tí jábọ́ sí ìrẹ̀lẹ̀, ìyá yẹn dẹ̀ forí gbá, ó dẹ̀ gbabẹ̀ lọ. Kí ni ká ti pe léyìí sí? Ẹ wo fídíò wọn alẹ́ ti máa play fún ibi tó ní fọ̀rọ̀ wá ọmọ ìlẹ́nu ẹ̀ náà máa gbọ́ bẹ́rọ̀ ṣe lọ bọ́wọ̀ ṣe jẹ́. Kẹ́mi tó wáyé pé ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ rèé tó ń darapọ̀ mọ́kọ́ nìyí. Bá a subscribe kó like kó comment kó share, wàá lè máa jẹ wá àǹfààní content yìí nígbàkúgbà lóòrèkóòrè. Tàbá fi lé ta, wàá lè máa fi ṣe ọgbọ́n ìmọ̀ àti òye. Kẹ́mi sọ pé fídíò wọn alẹ́ ta máa play fún yín, ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ̀ ò fídíò náà rè ẹ̀ jẹ́ gbádùn ẹ̀.
What is your name?
My name is Òtítọ.
How old are you?
14 years.
What happened between you and your mother before you killed her?
I went to school in Delta State. So when I came back, I went to one of our friends' place. So he told me that my mom was causing trouble in the community and she's not my mother. So I now went to
The person told you that the mother you are with her is not your mother.
The mother of the boy.
Okay.
My mom is a student.
Okay, I understand you now.
So I now went to meet my mom. I now told her. She now went to the boy's place. The boy, my mom now asked him question that who is the mother? He said he doesn't know. Who is the father? He said he doesn't know. How do you know I'm not the mother? He then said he saw her carrying me from an orphanage home down to this place, down to Ìjù. So my mom now said, okay, let's leave it to God since it's like that. So we left.
Did you ask your mother about that issue again?
Yes.
What does she say?
She did not answer me. She just kept quiet. So it was on Tuesday she now told me that she's not my biological mother. She go and look for her.
But she's the one paying for your school fees,
Yes.
sponsored you in your education.
Yes.
How did you kill her that day?
I opened the cover of our GP tank, small GP tank, so I threw it downstairs. She then saw it. She then came to the staircase, and me, I was at the staircase, lying my back on the fence because it was dark. So when she came on the 10th to 11th staircase, there was when I now approached her. So she used her head to hit ground, and the head burst, bringing blood. So the boy, I now called one of our neighbors. So he quickly came, carried her to the hospital, but she later, on Friday, she died.
But she's the one adopted you from
1 year.
1 year.
Yes.
And taking care of you.
Yes.
All because of she said you are not she's not your biological mother. That's the reason why you kill her.
Yes.
Once again, what is your name?
Òtítọ.
What did you expect from government?
I don't know.
You didn't know. But the woman has died now. Where is she now?
She's in the mortuary.
She's in the mortuary. Ima
Òtítọ
from
Edo State.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi kílẹ̀ náà rí sí fídíò yìí tí mo play tán fún yín sìn. Kí n gómìnà yín ní comment section tó bá yẹ pé ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ rèé tó ń darapọ̀ mọ́kọ́ nìyí. Bá a subscribe kó like kó comment kó share, wàá lè máa jẹ gbádùn nígbàkúgbà tá a bá fi fídíò léta fún yín láti gbọ́. Kílẹ̀ yín náà rí sí nǹkan tí ọmọ kékeré yìí ṣe. Ṣé èmi kan ló ń gbénú ẹ̀ náà àbẹ́mi kan ló wọnú ẹ̀ tó fi lọ ṣe irú nǹkan báyìí? Ẹni tó gbà láti ọmọ ọdún kan títí dé tó fi pé bí i 14 years old tó dẹ̀ sọ tó ń rán lọ school, ó wá gbọ́ pé ẹ̀yìn nǹkan ló bí ẹ, ó dẹ̀ ṣekú pa. Ẹ wo ìbò láyé yìí lọ́ba ẹ̀ ń ṣe ní. ẹ wo ọjọ́ tí ebi bá pọ̀nà ọjọ́ tí ebi bá palẹ̀ àníbáwọn sí lọ́nà àníbáwọn sí ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ máa fi ààbò ẹ̀bùn wá ẹ̀yin tèmi. ẹ wo ìkọ́ bálá èkó nìkan wà lẹ́sẹ̀ ẹ̀yin tèmi àní máa rí àwọn àjùbá ẹ̀ lọ lórí kan ní gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ti mọ̀ pé ọ̀pá pọ̀lọ̀pọ̀lọ̀ kò ṣeé péjò ó dàbọ̀.